You may see a question that says leave in simplest radical form. What does that mean? So radical form means you're going to leave it with a square root symbol. So in simplest radical form means we need to break up the number 32 into a product of a perfect square and another number. So think about what numbers multiply to get you to 32, but one of them is a perfect square. So that would be 16 times 2. So the radical symbol is nothing but a grouping symbol. So this is a grouping symbol. So what we're going to do is we're going to, step by step, it's like taking the square root of 16 and the square root of 2. So the square root of 16 is 4. Once you find that square root of 16, that radical symbol goes away. The square root of 2 is irrational, so we're going to just leave it, and your final answer is 4 times the square root of 2. So let's take a look at the square root of 20. So what two numbers multiply to get you to 20, and one of them is a perfect square? That would be 4 times 5. So you can think about this as the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 5. So the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 5 is an irrational number, so we're going to leave it as 2 radical 5, or you might hear us say 2 rad 5. The last problem that we're going to look at is 4 over 81. But it's the square root of 4 over 81. So here you're going to just look at this as breaking it down, and we now have the square root of 4 divided by the square root of 81. And the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 81 is 9. So here we're going to have 2 ninths, plus or minus 2 ninths. And that's all we went over today when you had to leave for your soccer game.